Have you ever heard of Google's secret that could earn you $900 a day without the hassle of your traditional 9-to-5 job? Maybe you're just wondering how to make money online effortlessly. How about turning trending topics into a source of income? Imagine creating viral videos with millions of views by simply doing these simple steps. Today, I'm unveiling the secrets behind earning $900 daily through Google and AI-powered techniques. Get ready for an eye-opening journey where I'll guide you through the steps to harness Google and AI technology, transforming ideas into viral videos. Plus, stay tuned for valuable insights and tips to boost your online presence. I've poured hours of research and years of experience into crafting this video, ensuring you receive actionable strategies to skyrocket your income. So make sure to watch until the end. Step 1. Are you an up-to-date person? Have you ever felt like you could tell which ones are going to be trending before they even make it? Well, here's your chance to put that instinct to work. Let's talk about sourcing your content. Ever heard of Google News? It's like your personal news attendant sorting through the thousands to bring you the best of the best stories. Just click on Google News and dive into the latest news. And then there's Google Trends, your crystal ball for what's hot in the search world. Wondering if a topic's blowing up? Google Trends has the answer. Step 2. Are you ready to turn your skills into cash? Well, let me tell you a story. Imagine someone just like you, not a gaming expert by any means, but they spot an opportunity in the trending topics on Google. They see Fortnite making waves, and even though they're not into gaming, they know there's potential there. So here's the deal. We're diving into the world of creating YouTube videos, starting with Google Trends. We're selecting our location, finding those hot topics with over 100,000 searches, and bam! We've got Fortnite on our radar. Why? Because it's blowing up, and that means eyeballs, lots of them. Now here's the kicker. You don't need to be a gaming guru to cash in on this. You just need to know how to find the right content and package it for your audience. With the latest news articles at your fingertips, you can create engaging videos without breaking a sweat. So grab that link, prepare your editing tool, and let's turn trending topics into money. And that's how you plan creating your video to make money on YouTube. Step 3. Are you perhaps a creative person? Because it's the right time to use those creative talents and turn them into this cool step. And it's even better if you have experience creating engaging content. But what if you don't know how to take it to the next level? Well, today, I'm going to show you how to do just that, step by step. Let me share with you the journey of someone who just turned their passion for video creation into a thriving online business. They stumbled upon a powerful tool called InVideo AI, which revolutionized their content creation process. Starting with the free version, they experimented with different features, honing their skills and perfecting their craft. As they grew more confident, they upgraded to the paid version, unlocking a whole new world of possibilities. With InVideo AI, they were able to create high-quality videos in a fraction of the time it used to take them. From generating subtitles to adding voiceovers, the platform offered a range of tools to enhance their content. But what truly sets them apart was their ability to inject humor and personality into their videos, keeping viewers entertained and coming back for more. Now, let's dive into the specifics. The first step is to head to the InVideo AI homepage and explore the various features available. One particularly innovative feature is the Clone Your Voice tool. By recording a short snippet of your voice and uploading it to the platform, you can create a personalized voiceover that will lend authenticity to your videos. Once you've created your cloned voice, it's time to dive into the content creation. Start by selecting a trending topic or news article relevant to your audience. This could be anything from the latest developments in technology to current events in the gaming world. Paste the link to InVideo AI and watch as the platform transforms it into a polished video. Take, for example, a recent incident with Fortnite's season launch. Despite high anticipation, players faced hours of downtime due to server issues. Our content creator capitalized on this trending topic, creating a video that not only informed but entertained. Seamlessly integrating stock footage with engaging narration, they captivated their audience from start to finish. But the journey doesn't end there. The real magic happens when you hit that expert button and share your video with the world. Whether you're uploading it on YouTube, sharing it on social media, or embedding it on your website, the possibilities are endless. And with the right marketing strategy, you can attract thousands of views and monetize your content to generate passive income. With tools like InVideo AI at your disposal, you can create video content even during bathroom breaks. Whether you're a seasoned content creator or just starting out, there's never been a better time to turn your passion into profit in this digital era. Step 4. Maybe you're a perfectionist and wanted to take your videos to the next level. Meet Jessie. She's just like you, passionate about creating killer content on YouTube. But Jessie wanted her videos to stand out, to capture her audience's attention like never before. So she dove into the world of editing, using tools like InVideo AI to work wonders on her footage. With just a few clicks, Jessie transformed her videos, seamlessly swapping out images and adding animations that kept her viewers hooked. Whether she was talking about gaming or the latest trends, InVideo AI had her covered with its vast libraries of images. But editing wasn't the only trick up Jessie's sleeve. She knew the power of a good call to action, prompting her audience to like, subscribe, and keep coming back for more. And let me tell you, it paid off big time. Now, imagine this, turning a simple link into a full-blown video in just minutes. Sounds too good to be true? Well, it's not. With tools like InVideo AI, you can do just that. And the best part? You don't need any fancy editing skills or expensive software. Take Google News for example. With just a few clicks, you can turn a headline into a captivating video that's sure to get views. Whether it's breaking news or the latest weather report, the possibilities are endless. And that's how you leverage your skills to create killer content that keeps your audience coming back for more. Everything starts with a simple idea: to share knowledge and expertise with the world. Step 5. Maybe you're already a pro at this, but hold on. Here's a way to use that skill of yours that you haven't thought of yet. Imagine you're in a 9-to-5 grind, but you've got the power to create trending videos in just minutes. Before heading out for work, going out for a bathroom break, or diving into your remote tasks, grab your phone. Yep, it's that easy. With tools like InVideo AI, you can whip up content on the fly. Check out what's hot on Google Trends or News, grab a link, and bam! Post your video before you even leave the house. During your lunch break, sneak in another one. And when you're winding down for the night, why not churn out one more? 3 videos a day, effortlessly fitting into your schedule. Sure, making $30,000 a month won't happen overnight, but it's possible. Take the story of the faceless YouTube channels. With good content idea, their videos hit above 100,000 views. Luck? Nah. It's about putting in the work. These methods that I just discussed won't create your own brand because of randomly searching the trends. If you want to learn how to pick the right niche to create a channel branding, you might want to check out some of our videos. See you in the next video!